Check out the view. It's a great view here. Beautiful mountains in West Virginia. It's just a little bit on the evening of spring. Yeah, so the view is not going to be so much great, but you know what you can see is what you're gonna get. But I hope we show good, we show better out of the camera. Yeah, because with my eyes here right now I can see well, but in the video right here there's some darkness, so a little bit too red. No, but you know, I had to guess time and capture this video and show you some great areas, some great mountains in West Virginia. It's beautiful out here. Wow, it's like a tourist spot. It could be. Yeah, nice evening, nice spring evening, and some great views in the mountains of West Virginia. So I'm on the high cliff right here to be able to see what's all over there, you know. Let me zoom so I can bring a picture here. Nice. It'll be nice, when I zoom in. Hopefully in the video is on your screen, or phone, or computer, or TV. It's gonna be a little bit clearer, you know. That's Virginia right here. Very beautiful mountains, huge, you know, and high elevated. Sunfall. See, the little sun is forming a twilight right there. That's pretty awesome. Yeah, it's a little bit darker. You're not gonna be able to see the mountains. Let me zoom out, zoom in a little bit better right now. I imagine if I just fall down there, I'll draw like a ball, like a premier ball, going to a net, going to an Arsenal net. Yeah, this is just some amazing views. Sorry for that. That's West Virginia. Very beautiful rolling mountains, huge, and and just give a breathful breathe, with a beautiful natural air. Just look at that on the spring evening. Oh, my arm is getting a bit tired. There's another angle right here, could have some beautiful views. It's kind of just dark. Come on. Here it's kind of zooming and having a perfect view, perfect evening view. Some spots are a bit dark.